Hi, I'm Steinbrecher, Tech Service Manager at Boss Snowplow. Today we're going to be installing an all-new cold front technology wiring system on a 23 Silverado half-ton. This install procedure is very similar on 3/4 and 1-ton GM trucks. Follow along as we do a step-by-step install of a cold front system using just a few simple tools: a wire crimpers, a couple of wrenches, and a drill to access the firewall. For a more comprehensive wiring install, including spreader wiring, please visit our YouTube channel. This install will focus specifically on GM trucks. These first few steps of the install process are very similar across all make and model of trucks. Step 1. Find a suitable access point in the firewall to pass through the connectors. On this truck, we're going to be taking a step drill bit and drilling from the inside of the cab out into the engine bay. Step 2. Pass the two can connectors from the cab of the truck through our firewall access point into the engine bay. Step 3. Locate your signal tap locations. On this truck, we're tying into our trailer turn fuses and a keyed switch power source inside the fuse box. Tap the pink wire from the light signal harness into the right trailer turn fuse. Tap the violet wire from the light signal harness into the left trailer turn fuse. Locate a key switched fuse and tap in the black and red wire from the light signal harness. On this truck, we're utilizing the active arrow shutter fuse. Route the plug end of the harness across the top of the firewall and pass it through our access point. Step 4. Determine the high beam tap location. On this truck, we're staying inside the cab. Pop the shroud off the top of the steering column and locate the solid white wire going into the switch stock. Using the included posi tap connector, tap into this white wire and attach it to the white high beam wire from the wiring kit. The remaining installation steps are similar to our comprehensive install video. We hope you found this video helpful. For more OEM-specific installation videos and additional content, please visit our YouTube channel or visit the Boss Tech support pages. And as always, Boss is here to back you up.